What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Yota Xpedition. We have our 5th generation 4Runner right here, and we just installed our brand new Vector taillights. These were inspired by the all new 6th gen 4Runner, but we made them to fit the 5th gen platform. So stay tuned, we're going to show you what these things look like and how to get them installed. All right, guys, we have the all new Vector taillights here on the table for the 5th gen 4Runner, and we also have the tools needed to get this done. If you have never installed taillights before, this is one of the easiest lighting upgrades you can do. It's only gonna take about 5 minutes. Now, when it comes to tools, all we're gonna need is a ratchet, an extension, and a deep 10mm socket. We also have a trim prying tool. And when it comes to installation, these are plug and play, and they are going to fit all 4Runner models from 2010 to 2024. So let's go ahead and pop the hatch on the 4Runner. We'll get those factory taillights removed and transform the rear end with these brand new Vector taillights. All right, so in the back of your 4Runner right here, you can see we have an access panel. There's gonna be one on both sides. And right here, you can see there's a little piece or a little part of it where you can get a flathead in there or a trim prying tool. So go ahead and pop this out and pull it off, just like so. And then once we have that off, you can see the plug for your taillight and then also the 2 studs where there are 10mm nuts. So we'll go ahead, take our ratchet, extension, and socket, and we'll crack these loose. Once you have those cracked loose, you can just use your fingers to get the nut all the way off. Just make sure that you don't drop it. And then we'll go ahead and unplug the light. So just push that in, pull that out, as simple as that, and we're done back here. All right, so now you have about 2 clips holding the light in. We need to grab the light and pull it straight back in order to get that off. So let's go ahead and do that. Might have to give it a little bit of a whack. Now we have the light out. You can see right here and here we have those pins which go into these 2 holes right here. So we got our brand new Vector taillight. We're going to tuck the wire through the hole. Now, if you want a startup sequence, you're going to leave this connected. If you don't want the startup sequence, you can unplug it like this. So for now, we're gonna plug this in so that the startup sequence does work, and we'll get this tucked in. Now you wanna line everything up. So line up your studs with those holes, line up those pins with those holes, and then there is also a clip right here on the side. You want to get that lined up with the taillight as well. Once you have everything where it needs to be, just push it in like that, and we'll reinstall the 2 nuts and plug it in. Go ahead and snug these up. We don't have to get too crazy. And now we'll just plug the light in like that. If you ever change your mind about the startup sequence, you can easily just access it from behind this panel. But we'll go ahead and tuck that away. We'll grab our panel, put that back in, and we are finished over here. Driver's side is all finished, and this looks way better than the factory taillights. So I'm gonna jump over to the passenger side. I'm gonna get that one all done, and then we can turn these on and see how they look. Just finished up on the passenger side. Took about 1.5 minutes. So like I said, 5 minutes or less to get the brand new taillights installed. Let's go ahead, kill the lights, and see how these things look. that is a wrap for this one. We got those brand new Vector taillights installed on the 5th Gen 4Runner, and it is looking way better than those factory ones. I'm definitely liking the look of that flat lens and also the 6th generation inspired look. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think. And if you want to grab these for your 4Runner, make sure to head over to YotaXpedition.com. We have a ton of other stuff on there as well. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.